In today's video, you will learn about how to cure gout in hours. You do not need to suffer any longer. There are thousands of patients employing a simple gout herbal cure to treat their pain. Unfortunately, you're presumably not getting to hear anything about phytotherapy at your doctor's office. Western medical establishments have done everything they will to stay alternative treatments out of your hands. However, thousands of patients learn simple natural cures via the web and word of mouth. It's reported that thousands of individuals have naturally cured this painful sort of arthritis employing a gout herbal cure. Here are 7 herbs you'll want to undertake ASAP. Why herbs can cure gout naturally? Because this disease is caused by your body not having the ability to effectively flush acid, it only is sensible that treating gout can only occur by flushing the acid and dissolving uric crystals. Many herbs are studied and are found ineffective and a few effective. Here are an inventory of effective herbs you'll wish to try. A gout herbal cure. 1. Alfalfa has been shown to neutralize high acid levels. Many experts believe that alfalfa's minerals and nutrients account for dramatically reducing the acid levels in patients. 2. Bilberry, like NSAIDs, is crammed with anthocyanosides which are anti-inflammatory. Additionally, bilberry also contains flavonoids which are shown effective in treating gout symptoms. 3. Burdock has also been remarkably effective at neutralizing acid, thus contributing to curing and preventative measures. 4. Black cohosh may be a herb which has been shown to scale back the acidic levels in blood acidity. 5. Buku, when used as a tea, has been shown to not only dissolve acid crystals, but also to assist the body eliminate them. 6. Cayenne pepper also treats joint pain. All you would like to try to do is combine 1 tablespoon of cayenne with 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 cup of water. Mix thoroughly and use a washcloth to use to affected joint and surrounding areas. 7. Finally, celery seeds contain nearly 20 differing types of anti-inflammatory properties which make it very effective for sufferers. To organize, combine 1 tablespoon of celery seeds with 2 cups of water and boil until the seeds become soft. Strain the seeds from the mixture and drink 4 times each day. Pregnant women should avoid this remedy. These 7 herbs are an excellent thanks to cure your gout in hours. Thank you for spending a while with us. Does one know? Give us your opinion on this video. If you liked the video, share it together with your friends. For more information, subscribe the channel.